Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just don't get me. Fuck. You're not gonna get me, right? We're over here. It won't get us.
Your bum's gonna be wet, but oh well.
Yeah. I think I got that lightning.
Did you close the thingy?
Yep.
Okay. Cat's probably gone hiding.
Yeah.
You can see people have the lights on the balcony.
Mm-hmm.
We can turn on ours too, but no.
Hmm?
Go ahead, use it. Oh yeah, I like that. It's beaming in my eyeballs.
That looks like Kathy's. No, it's a car. No, it's Kathy's truck.
Hmm.
What?
It's Kathy's van. It just came in.
Why is all the lights on there? It's got the vent.
I don't know.
Sounds like a party or something. I think she probably came home because of...
I don't see any rain either.
I think we came home basically at the right time.
Yeah, but there's no rain. It's just lightning.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sleep out here.
I looked in the mirror and I'm kind of burnt in the face and the arms again.
I forgot my face and head, obviously. I don't know why. But I got my arms, but it didn't work. It's still red. I didn't think we'd get it bad because it didn't seem like it was too.
Sunny?
But the sun's obviously hot as shit. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We're all dying now. You need to put fucking sunblock on everywhere you go.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let's hear a big crack.
But no
Crumble,
rain.
crumble.
Release the Kraken.
I'm just gonna make a chickpea salad.
Just like...
Now?
I don't know. I'm kind of hungry.
I don't think you can cook anything, I think.
I don't want to cook anything. I want something cold, salad or something. Oh yeah, I don't have small tomatoes.
So carrots and dip or something.
I'm gonna have celery and cucumber.
And salami or something.
Yeah, there's salami.
I'm gonna have a Big Mac.
You won't get that. If you got McDonald's, I would get the chicken burger.
Join the club.
I feel like crap.
I
That's why I had to leave. I was like, I gotta.
like the thunder, but I don't like the lightning.
I'm doing very good. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
We don't have that mosquito thing out here, do we?
What, you got mosquitoes around you?
It's in where the radio is. Go get it, Lisa. Watch out. Ow, that hurts.
That's a mosquito, isn't it?
I don't know, but it hurts.
I'll go grab it.
Mosquitoes don't bite me.
You give me a water. Ah, fuck.
Are they biting you?
I don't know.
Oh, you know what it is? Because of the thing on your head, right? It probably smells good to them. Night. Elevator on your head.